Welcome everybody. My name is Brian with the MPS team, and in this video I'm going to describe how MyPointSaver is able to offer the best payouts in the industry for both S'mores TV and Engage Me TV video offers. Let's jump over to the website to get started. We're going to go ahead and click on the Earn menu and then Videos. This will take us straight over to the Videos section, which we can then scroll down and select a video to watch. We'll go ahead and select this S'mores TV video. Here you can see that this video rewards 2,250 points for every 3 ads watched. Now clicking over, we'll either see a video load or an ad load. In this particular case, we see an advertisement first, which is indicated above the player. So in order to earn points, we'll need to watch 3 ads, which will then reward us a total of 2,250 points. If you click on the rewards button below, you'll see how many ads have been watched and how many points accumulated. It's very important to note that you'll only get rewarded once 3 ads are watched, not 1 and not 2. So ensure that you always have a total of 3 ads watched before you leave the page. And if you leave the page before the 3rd ad plays, you'll not receive any points. This first ad is now wrapping up, so we will see our watch number switch from 0 to 3 to 1 out of 3. Now hopping back over, let's go ahead and close this window and quickly review the information displayed on the video page. First thing to note are the ideal earning conditions, in which we highly recommend using a Chrome browser and watching between standard North American work hours. Next are the rules, which are extremely important to read and understand, as they'll prevent you from becoming banned from the system. Most notably, please do not use a VPN, proxy, auto refresher, script, or anything else that attempts to manipulate the intended experience. It's also important to note that S'mores TV and Engage Me TV are managed by the same company, so don't try to run both of those offers in parallel. And lastly, if you choose to run 3 devices simultaneously, these devices must be of different types, for example a computer, a phone, or a tablet, and each of these devices must be associated with its own unique viewer. In this case, a unique viewer is either a different MyPointSaver account or a different Engage Me or S'mores TV account. Last thing to point out is the ability for members to create accounts with Engage Me TV and S'mores TV. Once this is done, you will see the Earning with MyPointSaver label, which is additional assurance that you are logged in correctly and actively earning. So to confirm we're earning points, we can head over to our wallet page. Simply click on the Home menu and then Wallet. Now on this page you will see your point and token totals, which get updated every 5 minutes. At the bottom will be a list of the 200 most recent transactions for each point type. For example, you can see 2 entries in which we earn points from Engage Me TV videos. Now going back over to the summary box, you'll see your current token total, and to see specifics on your token earnings, you will need to head over to the token page, which can be accessed here. There's quite a bit of additional information on the tokens page, but obviously the most important is how many tokens we have available, which in this case is 53.42. Next, I want to show you an added bonus that you can automatically get by completing any video conversions. If we go over to the Earn tab, we'll see a menu called Competitions, so let's head over to that. Now in the Competitions tab, you'll see 3 different flavors of competitions. We have a survey competition, an offer wall competition, and a video competition. The top 3 will always be the most recent, and below you'll see the previous results and winners. Let's go ahead and click on this month's Video Fever competition. When we land on the page, we'll see the details of the competition and our current share of the competition winnings, assuming that we have at least 1 video conversion and have qualified for it. Now the nice thing here is the more completions you get within a competition, the higher your bonus multiplier, which obviously affects the number of points and tokens you win. If you scroll down, you can see all the other members currently qualified in the competition and their respective ranking. You'll also notice a Qualify Now button, which for this competition will just lead you straight to the video page. Now that we discussed how the points are won, let's discuss how to redeem them. Well, that's quite simple. We have a Redeem tab which lists all the available options. So let's take a look at the first one, which is the Auctions Redemption Method. You first land on a page that lists all the auctions available, with the one ending next listed first. Let's go ahead and click on this one. Now we're taken to this particular auction and you can see all the relevant details about it. How much it rewards, what the current bid is, when it's ending, and what the next minimum bid is. If we want to place a bid, we simply enter the bid amount and click the bid button. Our points are then held in reserve in case we end up winning the auction. If we don't win, then our points are simply released back to us. Most of our users find this engagement quite fun and exciting, so it's our advice to get involved and bid whatever amount you feel the auction is worth. If you are the highest bidder when the auction ends, then the loot is all yours. The next redemption method we'll take a look at is sweepstakes. Again, this is very similar to the layout and structure of our auctions. However, instead of competing for top bid, you are purchasing entries and hoping yours is randomly chosen as the winning ticket. On the page, you can find the prize value, the ticket cost, and the current number of entries. It's also worth noting that this feature is only available to US, UK, and Canadian residents, excluding Quebec. This is done purely for legal reasons. Let's now go back up to the Redeem tab and check out the custom gift card page. So this redemption option allows you to convert points and tokens directly to gift cards. We currently have 4 gift cards available. You can simply select which gift card type you like and then go down to the sliders and decide how many points and tokens you'd like to redeem. The cool thing here is that the exchange rate gets better and better depending on your VIP level. If you click the VIP button, you can find out what the requirements are to reach each level, as well as the discounts that are applied once you reach that level. These discounts are applied to the exchange rate when you're cashing out your gift card. We also have an example chart below that demonstrates the immense savings that the higher VIP levels receive. Now the next redemption option listed is scratch cards, which we're not going to take a look at since you don't earn scratch card points when getting video conversions. If you're interested in this option, you can check out your scratch card balance by looking at the top here or going over to your wallet page. Finally, the last redemption method we'll talk about is the Wheel of Prizes, which we can access by clicking here. Now this is a crowd favorite as it's extremely fun and entertaining, and it also pays out very well. At the top you'll see your token totals, which are important to note as each spin will cost you 5 tokens. Next is an option to convert points into tokens. If you look up here, you can see how many points you have available, and if you'd like to purchase tokens with those, feel free. So the concept of converting points to tokens is a very fruitful option for new users that cannot compete in the auctions or sweepstakes. So once you have your 5 tokens, simply click the button to spin. If the wheel lands on the $2 or $5 sections, we'll send you an Amazon.com gift card valued at that amount. Now that we showed you how everything works, we want to reveal the math about why our site is currently the highest paying reward site when it comes to S'mores TV and Engage Me TV video offers. If you're not interested in the math, please skip ahead to the last minute of the video for a quick summary on how to optimally spend your points and tokens. Okay, let's begin. We'll first start off by stating that most competitors pay their users between 50 to 80% of their video revenue, whereas MyPointSaver pays back 86 to 700%. So let's state the basics. MyPointSaver earns 1 cent for every video conversion, so for 100 conversions we earn $1 in revenue. And our users will earn 2,250 points and 0.01 token for each video conversion, so for 100 conversions they'll earn 225,000 points and 1 token. We'll first discuss how to optimally spend your tokens, and then we'll discuss how to spend your points. So the first option at spending your tokens is the custom gift card option. Here there are 4 different VIP levels. At VIP level 0, you can exchange 10 tokens for $1 US, and at VIP level 4 you can exchange 4 tokens for $1 US. For this analysis we're going to ignore levels 0, 1, and 2 since you get a better bang for your buck by spending your tokens on the Wheel of Prizes. So this leaves us with VIP level 3, which allows you to cash out tokens at 20 cents per token, and VIP level 4, which gives you 25 cents per token. Let's now take a look at the Wheel of Prizes and find out how the numbers look there. So the calculation here is pretty straightforward. We have 8 different sections. However, one of these is a free spin section, and mathematically that'll cancel itself out, which leaves us with 7 sections to land on. So the total available winnings is $7, just the $5 plus $2 sections added together. And the average spin will then net $1, which is $7 divided by the 7 sections. Since it takes 5 tokens to spin, each token is then valued at 20 cents, which is the exact same conversion rate we get at VIP level 3 of the custom gift card section. Okay, now on to points. How do we go about optimizing our 225,000 points, which are earned from doing 100 video conversions? Well, there's 4 choices here, so let's dive into the first one, which is purchasing custom gift cards. The math displayed here is quite similar to the analysis that's done for tokens, except in this case we see that the only option worth not considering is VIP level 0. All the other options end up netting us a decent conversion rate, with of course the best option at VIP level 4, which nets us a whopping 80 cents. Next up is the ability to purchase tokens with our points. So at 95,000 per token, we can buy 2.37 tokens with our 225k points. As analyzed earlier, we know that the wheel pays out 20 cents per token, which means that our 2.37 tokens are worth 47 cents. If you look back at the previous option, you'll see that this is basically the same payout that we achieve buying custom gift cards at VIP level 1. Now we move on to the other two options that will absolutely blow your earnings through the roof. The first being auctions, which from this page you can quickly see that an earnings of $4.72 for the 225k points is absolutely achievable. And we're going to show you exactly how this was done. So let's hop over to the actual auction page that the data was taken from. Looking at the auction details, you can see that the winner took home a $10 gift card and did so with a bid of only 476,000 points. Now running the math on that, we can simply divide 225k by 476k and multiply that number by our $10 prize value to get a result of $4.72 for the 225k points spent. Not too shabby, especially when compared to the previous options, which were all below $1. Now you're asking, can it get any better? Well, it absolutely can. So let's take a look at one of the sweepstakes that just recently ended. We'll go back to our site and click on the winners circle page. On this page, you can see all the recent winners and gift card cash outs. Let's go ahead and scroll down to our most recent PayPal gift card sweepstakes. Hopping over to the actual sweepstakes page, you can see that this particular giveaway was for $50 and each entry into the event was 25,000 points. Now scrolling through the sweepstakes history, we can count that there were a total of 69 entries. So let's head back over and run the numbers for this event. We can quickly calculate that each entry is worth 72 cents, which is basically the $50 divided by the 69 entries. At 25,000 per entry, our 225,000 points will buy 9 entries. Thus, 9 times 72 cents gives our 225k points a total value of $6.52. And to top off all the amazing earnings we can achieve with these events, we can't forget that completing video conversions will also automatically enter us into the Video Fever competition. The math here gets pretty involved as you earn MPS points, scratch card points, and tokens. So if you use the rules applied up to this point for optimal spending of your points and tokens, you can achieve an additional earnings between 19 cents and 28 cents depending on your VIP level. So in these next 4 slides, we want to summarize the optimal earning scenarios based on your VIP level and activity preference. So this first slide is for new users, VIP level 0, that want to play auctions and sweepstakes. So to optimize your earnings here, you should spend tokens on the Wheel of Prizes and points on sweepstakes. If you do this, you should net around $6.91 for every 100 videos watched. And for VIP level 4, you'll continue to spend your points on sweepstakes. However, you'll be cashing out custom gift cards with your tokens as you get the better rate of 25 cents per token. Now we're going to look at the scenario where you're either ineligible to play auctions or sweepstakes, or you'd just prefer not to. So for new users, so VIP level 0, that want to optimize their spending, they should be spending all their points buying tokens and then all their tokens on the Wheel of Prizes. By doing this on average, you're going to net 86 cents for every 100 video conversions completed. And if you're VIP level 4 and do not plan to participate in auctions or sweepstakes, then you'll be cashing out custom gift cards with all your points and tokens. This is going to provide the optimal earning scenario and give you $1.33 for every 100 video conversions. So let's recap the video. MyPointSaver earns $1 for every 100 video conversions, and you earn 225,000 points and 1 token. Now if you use these points and tokens correctly, you have the potential to earn over $7. And if you're unable to participate in auctions or sweepstakes, you could still earn between 86 cents and $1.33 depending on your VIP level. At this point you're probably asking, how can MyPointSaver continue to do business like this? Well, that's a simple answer. We spend 99% of our marketing budget in auctions and sweepstakes, as we believe this money is best invested in our users. Now this investment will help draw new members into the site, and assuming our members also engage in other reward opportunities such as surveys or offer walls, we are able to recoup losses and add a small profit on top of that. So we do ask that all members that take advantage of our industry-leading Engage Me TV and S'mores TV payouts to please get involved with other site activities, as this will allow us to continue offering this amazing payout structure. Well, that's it for the video, so thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all on the site. Have a good day.
You and me.